Good morning, professor and classmates. Our research topic is the use of pop songs in second language learning to acquire vocabulary. The research question is, does the use of pop songs help English second language learners to acquire new vocabulary? And the hypothesis is, the use of pop songs will help English second language learners to acquire new vocabulary. The research design is quasi-experimental and will help best because participants are not randomly assigned to the experimental groups, and two groups will be pre-selected, which will have similar characteristics.
Well, our context, the research will be carried out at the Universidad Juárez Autónoma de Tabasco, which is located at Villahermosa, Tabasco, Mexico. Our population will be the students of the bachelor's degree in foreign language at TUHAT. Our sample will be take as a sample 65th semester English second language students who are taking classes at TUHAT, and also we will work with the convenience or opportunity sample.
Well, our instrument number 1 is the observation event sampling Noonan's scheme, and the independent variable is the use of pop songs. For the validity criteria, we are going to use internal validity. For the reliability criteria will be inter-author reliability. And the pilot stage will be carried out with 3 independent observers, and they will make an analysis of the statement described in the observation scheme, and they will provide feedback and will make a report with general comments. For the design, we choose the observation scheme of Noonan because it will help to record when the teacher of English implement the pop songs and what kind of activities he or she does with the students using pop songs. And the statements will be different for the two classes that we are going to observe because the first class will use pop songs and the other will not. Ethical authorization. For the data collection, the following general principles will be applied. The principle 1, principle number 2, principle number 3, and the principle 5. And this is an image of our classroom observation tally sheet from Noonan.
Our second instrument will be a test with short answer question. The variable is the dependent, the vocabulary. The validity criteria will be face validity. The reliability criteria will be the internal consistency with the split half method. The initial piloting of the item pool will be applied to 10 students. They will listen to the songs and will solve the test. And after that, we will start a brainstorm session where we listen to the students' suggestions about the items and we will modify them if it's necessary. And for the final piloting, the test will be applied to 20 students with similar characteristics as the group of students who will be tested for the real study. The design, the test will be divided in 4 parts, and all of them are related with the pop songs that we already select. According to Carr, also the scoring method will be the dichotomous because the questions will be scored as incorrect or correct. The ethical authorization for the test will be applied on a strategy, which is the identification through the sitting plan that consists of putting a pre-code identification number of each questionnaire, or in this case, test, and then recording the respondent's exact sitting plan during the test administration. And also the participants will be provided with a letter of informed consent in which they will be informed of the objective of the research and will be assured of confidentiality and anonymity of the personal data. the example of our test vocabulary, and all the vocabulary is according to the pop song. And that's all for us. Thank you so much.